What you see here are the GDX 14.4 and GDX 18 VLI professional cordless impact drivers from Bosch. Their newly developed combi tool holder enables versatile applications. The high torque with high impact rate enables comfortable work, completely free of kickback. 2 tool holders in one. Instead of having to work with an adapter, you can now easily change the bit from a half-inch square to a quarter-inch hexagon. The high speed ensures fast work progress when driving screws in metal and wood. Experience for yourself the GDX 14.4 and the GDX 18 VLI Professional from Bosch, the versatile cordless impact drivers with their unique combi tool holder. Also available in the practical, unique L-Box.